A class 9 girl student reportedly jumped into the Mahanadi river from the Chaurpur village in Sambalpur on Saturday and later rescued by the fire services personnel after a frantic search. The incident came to light after passerby noticed a bicycle, a mobile phone, and a school bag lying unattended on the bridge. The bag contained a class 9 question paper through which the girl was identified. Moreover, the police also recovered a phenyl bottle from the bag. Soon after, personnel from the town police station and fire services reached the spot and launched a search operation in the river. After a frantic search, the girl was rescued. As the Hirakud Dam is releasing excess water through 8 gates, the water inflow in the Mahanadi river has increased, sources said, adding that town police is investigating the circumstances that led to the incident. A similar incident had occurred recently when another woman jumped from the bridge into the Mahanadi. Locals have urged authorities to install iron fencing to deter such attempts.
झीर ना हूँ अरिता ऋषि क्लास 9 झील है आम ताके फ्री रे एडमिशन करूँ जेहेतु तार बापा माँ नाइन आके बही पत्र सब तो गवर्नमेंट तरफ जो सप्लाई अच्छे ताके दिया ड्रेस भी दिया आम हाउस ताके बंटा होता आ खावा पीवा ताके कबे से पढ़ी अच्छे सब दिन भी रेगुलर छुआ से नाई तो आम तार बेसी परिचय आ पाई पार्बार आज्ञा।